How to download free mp3 music from YouTube. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can get free, copyright-free audios from YouTube. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser and search for youtube.com. Once you hit enter, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just go to the profile icon at the top right corner. And then head over to YouTube Studio. Once you get here, you will be able to find the library option right here at the bottom. Click on audio library. So what it is YouTube provides its creators with free audios that they can use on their video. So you can just play this and it will start playing. And if you like the audio, just go to the right side and hover over the date, click on download, and it will automatically download the audio. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.